Let's make some Big Mac sauce. There's a recipe for this. I will step over here and go, hey, there's the recipe. I'm doing a smaller version of that because I'm just making the one. So, do as I say, not as I do. Okay. You need a lot of this because you need to make more than you think you do. You have to put a lot of it on. Was it 3/4 of a cup is what the thing says? We got some mustard. That was about a teaspoon, but that's not 3/4 of a cup. So again, do as I say, not as I do. Recipe again here. Paprika. This will take a few minutes for this to set up properly because the paprika has to hydrate and do its thing. Otherwise, it's just little red dots in there, and red dots aren't Big Mac sauce. Sweet Pickle Relish. Some sugar. Yes, sugar's going. I don't know how much. And just a little bit. You were talking a teeny tiny bit, so I'm going to try and get 3 drops out of this big giant jug. That sounds easy. No pressure, right? There it is. 3 drops. Ah! Okay, just hold on one second. Just to make sure I don't forget anything else, I'm going to grab the actual list of ingredients, the McDonald's list that's in the Big Mac sauce. Let's just make sure and go over this. Okay, printed it out. Here you go. We have soybean oil, sweet relish. We have water, egg yolks, distilled vinegar, spices, onion. Oh, there is onion powder in this. I almost forgot. And salt. Oh my God, we almost ruined this. Can you believe this? Garlic powder. Okay, there you go. Vegetable protein. I don't know what that is specifically. Sugar, caramel color, turmeric. Extracts of paprika. So it must be like some paprika oil or something like that. And soy lecithin. So there we go. So we're going to add a couple more things to this. I almost screwed that up. Luckily, I had this. Okay, I got more ingredients. Let's try and do this right this time. Right, people? Big Mac gods are with us. I almost screwed that up. We're just going to put a little of this in here. Luckily, that was already in the thing that was there, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Future Bill is much smarter than current Bill. There you go. A little of that, a little of that. Turmeric. Now this is second to last on the list, so I'm assuming there is almost none in here. This is a really big thing for coloring. It also adds a lot of flavor. It gives it that kind of curry flavor that the Big Mac sauce is known for. I could be wrong, but that's starting to look like a Big Mac sauce to me. It's still got the dots in there because this has to sit for about an hour, so it's perfect. We should be able to sample this for flavor and see what we got. Might need a little more sugar. Okay, add more sugar. Ooh, it definitely doesn't need more onion or garlic. Woohoo! But yeah, it needs to be a little bit sweeter because the Big Mac sauce is like cloyingly sweet. It's that thing that's killing you as you're... Oh, and salt. I forgot the salt. Yeah, this is probably the one. I would imagine some salt. This is just some Himalayan sea salt that I have in a grinder. Tell me, you find that funny too? Just kidding, it's not Himalayan sea salt. How would the ocean get to the top of the Himalayas? Right? It's Hawaiian sea salt. I just make fun of that because there's Himalayan salt, but it's not sea salt. There it is. Woo! Okay, yeah, that's Big Mac sauce. It's sweet. Okay, yeah, 100%. That is going in the fridge. God, that took forever. I'd like to say all my videos aren't this weird, but they kind of are. Thanks for watching. Hope I see you in the next one.